Picture this, a business recipe that's as intricate and delightful as the layers of a perfectly baked croissant. Today, we step into the world of finance through the lens of Panera Bread's astounding success. Welcome to the Finance Virtuoso channel, where we talk about all things finance. If you're seeking a daily dose of valuable information on money, business, investments, and savings, be sure to click the notification bell and hit the subscribe button now. In this video, we'll unravel the financial strategies that fueled Panera Bread's rise to financial greatness. From investment-savvy leadership to adapting to evolving market trends, Panera Bread has indeed created a financial legacy worth admiring. Starting with reason number 1, the leadership of Ronald Shaich. Ronald Shaich, the man behind Panera's success, was not just a founder. He was a driving force for over 36 years. In the 1970s, a company known for baking equipment opened a French bakery in Boston called Ubon Pain, or ABP. ABP was more of a showpiece meant to promote the ovens they were selling. A Harvard graduate named Louis Kane saw potential in the market for French baked goods and bought ABP for $1.5 million. Meanwhile, Ronald Shaich, also a Harvard graduate, was running a cookie store called the Cookie Jar nearby. But cookies are more of an afternoon or evening treat, and Ronald wasn't attracting morning customers. So he started licensing baked goods from ABP. After about a year of collaboration, they merged their businesses into a partnership, marking the beginning of a new chapter. Customers would walk in with their own deli meats, buy bread from the bakery, and create their own sandwiches. In 1991, they had a stock offering, using the funds to grow through acquisitions. The most notable acquisition was in 1993, when they bought the St. Louis Bread Company, with around 20 locations in the Midwest for $23 million. This acquisition allowed them to enter new markets, extending beyond New England and into the suburbs. It's a bit of a puzzle because we've talked about different bakery cafes, neither of which is called Panera, but it'll make sense in a bit. Reason number 2, the sale of Ubon Pain. As for how Panera got its name, first and foremost, when ABP began operating new locations outside of St. Louis, they decided to rebrand the bakeries with a name more appealing to a broader audience. This is when they chose the name Panera, which is essentially the Latin word for bread basket. So, if you've ever visited St. Louis and seen a place that looks a lot like a Panera Bread, but is labeled as the St. Louis Bread Company, that's because they're essentially the same. By the late 1990s, ABP, the overall company, was facing various challenges. ABP had expanded too rapidly into poorly planned locations, resulting in expensive real estate deals. With increasing competition from Starbucks and rising food costs, ABP's financial troubles deepened. Panera restaurants were consistently outperforming ABP locations, prompting Ronald Shaich to make a bold move. In 1999, the ABP company sold the ABP restaurants to focus on Panera. With the $73 million earned from the sale, they wiped out their debts and invested in their bakery cafe gem. The result? A laser-focused company ready to take the world by storm. Reason number 3, the power of franchising. Panera Bread attracted talented entrepreneurs who wanted a slice of the success pie. They carefully handpicked franchisees, and these were no ordinary individuals. Interested in opening a Panera Bread? Well, you'd better have a net worth of at least $7.5 million. It's no small commitment. They often required franchisees to open multiple locations. This rigorous selection process ensured that capable individuals were running Panera Bread cafes. The result? A rapidly expanding network of cafes led by skilled and passionate individuals. Reason number 4, a menu that speaks freshness. When you go to Panera Bread, the aroma of freshly baked bread dances in the air. But there's more to their success than just the scent of delicious food. Everything at Panera revolves around the concept of freshness and natural ingredients. No artificial preservatives, sweeteners, flavors, or colors. Take their sandwiches, for example. Freshly baked bread, crisp vegetables, and high quality meats create a symphony of flavor. And their salads, a burst of colors and flavors that scream health. They have soups that warm your heart and satisfy your soul. Every breakfast options are designed to jumpstart your day with freshness. The result? A menu that resonates with those looking for a healthier, fast casual dining option. Reason number 5, the cozy environment. At Panera Bread, it's not just about what you eat, it's about where you eat it. The secret ingredient? The warm and inviting environment. The decor is carefully designed with calming colors and, in some locations, even a cozy fireplace. Panera Bread isn't just a restaurant. It's a place to relax, chat, and savor the moment. And here's a game changer. Free Wi-Fi. It's about staying connected while enjoying your meal. In the words of Panera's founder, we're renting space to people, and the food is the price of admission. Reason number 6, the local vibe. When you walk into a Panera Bread, it just feels like home, no matter where you are. That's because Panera Bread knows the importance of a local vibe. Each cafe is a canvas, painted with elements that represent the local community. They're not just a restaurant, they're a part of the neighborhood. The staff, well, they're not just employees. They're your friends and greet you by name. In My Panera, the loyalty program that makes you feel valued like you're part of something special. And lastly, reason number 7, the off-premises evolution. In a world where we're always on the go, Panera Bread adapted to our changing habits. You see, it's not just about the dine-in experience, it's about off-premises dining. In 2014, Panera Bread embarked on a journey called Panera 2.0. This journey introduced convenient ways to order using technology, and it even included drive-thrus. Imagine this: rapid pickup. You order online, sometimes days in advance, and pick it up from a special shelf or have them bring it out to your car. They also started offering delivery services. In 2021, they launched the Next Generation Cafe with drive-thrus and pickup lanes, making it easier to get your Panera fix on the go. And there you have it, the 7 key ingredients that have crafted Panera Bread's recipe for success. What do you think of these reasons? As always, thank you for joining us on this exploration, and may your financial journey be as satisfying and rewarding as a hearty meal at Panera. Remember to like and share this video if you enjoy it. Until our next financial adventure, here on the Finance Virtuoso channel.